At Worcester College, Oxford University, the team maintain these stunning grounds to an exceptional standard. From manicured lawns to shaped topiary and a rich variety of planting, it's really important for the team to maintain these grounds and these areas at the right time with the right tools. What's also important is not losing any working time during the day waiting for batteries to charge. So the big question is, how efficient is fast mobile charging in their daily work?
Worcester sits on a triangle of land in the heart of Oxford. It's founded in 1714, so we've got a real mix of historical buildings from medieval to neoclassical to much more contemporary buildings. And I think the gardens reflect that. We've got formal areas, parkland, sports field, even an orchard where we make juice for the students. We've been testing your mobile charging solutions for a couple of weeks now. It has changed how we do things. Should we go and have a look and see how?
Yeah, it'd be great to hear your feedback.
Great. We've got a 26-acre site and there are properties outside of the curtilage. I've got a team of 8, so we need to keep them efficient all the time. Obviously, this is where we charge the batteries, Paul. We charge them overnight on a slow charge, which is better for the battery health. We also charge in the gardens. I guess the buggy is key to that. So we load that up with kit first thing in the morning. They go out, which saves them having to come back and forth to the sheds.
And what made you move from petrol power over to battery powered?
So we started to transition in about 2019, I think it is. The primary reason was noise. So we work in a very noise sensitive environment. We've got students studying. There's research going on, so we have to keep our disruption down to a minimum. But I'm also thinking about the safety of my team. We've got plenty of batteries, we've got the fast charger and the power station, we're good to go. Josh and Andy are mowing grass and clearing leaves. Although this is a less formal area, we still need to make sure it's safe and pristine.
It's a really vast area too, isn't it?
Yeah, exactly. So that's why they brought the buggy out. It's got the power station. If they need to top up the battery, it's quick and easy. Quick swap. Callum's been cutting down the wildflower meadow today, and he's done all this big area on one battery. The really big plus is the large battery charges in less than 10 minutes. So we can get a lot done, switch the battery over and go again. The power station and the fast charger, we can charge 6 batteries on one charge from the mobile unit.
So with your team of 4, how many batteries are you typically using in a day?
Probably 10 batteries.
So with 10 batteries then, with the extra charges from the power station, you've got 16 full charges overall for your team to get all their tasks done.
Exactly, and it's more efficient for us.
So that's a few weeks of all-pro battery power, some great teamwork and efficiency at one of the most prestigious colleges in the world. With less noise, no emissions, but more freedom and flexibility, it makes for a much more enjoyable working experience for the team here at Worcester College whilst maintaining these stunning landscapes.